question is that in this modern life, in this busy life, how can get time for yourself, and how you can be far from your mobile, from your media, multimedia, to be with yourself, with your relation, and with your family. So it's very simple. You need to have the balance you need in your life. You need to be aware, you need to be conscious that what is your priority in your life. You don't have to live life in routine. The day you start living life in routine, from that day you start finishing your life and you become like machine. So enjoying your partner, your children, your parents, your grandparents, you have to have the time. Same for yourself also. You don't have to forget yourself. First you need to get time for only for yourself, to listen your heart, that in reality what your heart asks from you. Then for your family, for your business, and for entire the world you can give the time. But mobile or multimedia, you need to use only as much you need. Same when we are talking, in spirituality we tell you need to speak only as many words, as many really need to speak. Because you can experience yourself, you can experience happiness, you can experience the peace only when you are in silence, my friend. So it's not matter that what you wear, you need to put rudraksh or orange cloth or white cloth, or you need to put chandan. No, these are all things, the outer things. Same like when one lover want to go to see their lover, they put different things, they decorate themselves, they try to go show themselves how beautiful they are. But in reality, no need. Love, the person can love you as you are. You no need to be different. But also it's a good feeling to dress up good and go to your partner. But here, your partner is God. When you are going to God, it's your choice that what you want to wear, how you want to dress up, what the language you want to speak. So just follow your heart. You don't have to show. You don't have to give anything. Just you need to feel that what your heart is asking from you, just fulfilled wish of your heart, and you will find your life will be paradise, my friend.